Hello everybody, I am Simon and I'm going to talk about the software on the game today. So about the game is divided in two phases. In the first phase, everybody rolls the dice when it's his turn, and whoever gets the lowest score receives tokens. The game continues until there are no more tokens on the table. The second phase is only played by players who have tokens. The goal of this phase is to get rid of the tokens. The first player chooses if he rolls the dice once, twice or three times as he is playing. When it's done, the other player has to beat his score with the same number of rolls. The player who has the lowest score receives the tokens from the player who has the best score. When one player has all the tokens, the game is over. So the software is divided in three pieces. The first and the second are used by the Raspberry, and the first is used by the Arduino. So today I'm not going to talk about the Raspberry, but more about the Arduino. So the Arduino is going to drive the motor to make the gaming plate rotate in the right position at the right time. So the Arduino receives its position from the Raspberry through an USB cable. So let's see the Arduino code. This is the Arduino code. Here you have the library, the setting, some variable. You have the setup, which set the serial connection between the Arduino and the Raspberry. You have the pin, if they are an input or an output. You have the loop, which read the position of the rotary table through this position, and you can make a choice. The first choice is to get the position, so you send this position at the Raspberry through the serial connection, and the second choice is to set the position. So we have three functions. This function is to read the set point, this function is to set the parameter of the motor, and this function is to drive the motor. So this is the function for reading this position. This is the function for reading the set point. Here you have the function, it's called ASCII to int, because when you write a number in the serial connection, it's directly translate into ASCII code. This is the setup of the parameter of the motor, so you can set the speed and the reverse, and when the set point is equal to position, you send to the Raspberry a 1, and here you have the function which drives the motor with a PWM signal.